In this video we are going to talk about the best subwoofer boxes for deep bass in this year, which is Box dual vented 12-inch subwoofer. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Dual 12-inch vented subwoofer enclosure. The Box 12-inch dual vented Pro Audio Tune subwoofer box enclosure is designed for optimum bass response and low frequency reproduction, which is ideal for lower profile sound quality subwoofers. Get the most out of your vehicle's subwoofer with car stuff designed for power and quality. Special formula: we use aliphatic wood glue on our 12-inch subwoofer enclosures to ensure an airtight seal between all MDF parts. Each 12-inch subwoofer box also gets a second application of glue around all internal joints after the final assembly. High-grade MDF. Our subwoofer box enclosures are built with a durable MDF that is 3/4 thick for solid frequency response and accurate music reproduction, and we use a CNC miter to ensure an airtight fit for your powered subwoofer. Our dado design and construction offers a precision fit for our car subwoofer boxes and enclosures, which ensures a rattle and noise-free environment. Airtight recessed side panels. We use quality materials like our special aliphatic resin wood glue and brad nails from a pneumatic nail gun to create a tight hold on the MDF parts during the glue drying process to ensure that our subwoofer boxes have an airtight, no leak, no rattle air chamber, improving the overall sound quality of your sound system. Better sound, better bass, better fun. Get the party started with sound quality you can truly jam to. Our subwoofer enclosures turn your truck into a music machine. Dramatically improve the sound quality and bass response of your truck's audio system and listen to the music the way it was meant to be heard. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.